Hi, it's Linda Winter with another Martelli Minute. Today we're going to take a closer look at our Kwik Spin thread dispenser. This is our large. If you've sewn, then you understand the issues with thread. I've got twisting and kinking. That's going to create problems when I'm sewing, quilting, embroidering. Our Kwik Spin is going to take advantage of that one vertical, two high density polyethylene. With our grippers here, a solid base, and the ability to go up and down and present this at the same level as your sewing machine. I've got a cap down below. I'm going to bring this in, and that goes right inside. Flatter spools of threads, we're going to use our cap that we have here. Because of the Get Grip, because of a spring that's designed for this, and this preventing our whiplash, our stitching is going to be accurate, consistent, beautiful. We're going to get the quality of stitching that we're all looking for. Go now and get your thread dispenser at martellinotions.com.